Hello, and welcome to the Newport Beach Public Library's colorful book art take-home crafts. We've got a bunch of stuff to do today, so it's time to get started. Let's begin with the Pigeon Puppet. First, we need to cut out our pigeon parts. We've got the body, neck, and head. Now we can glue them all together and add the collar. Next, add the beak and the feet. Attach the stick and flip it back over. Glue on the eye. Boop! It looks like this pigeon has something to say. What does this pigeon want to do? It wants to drive the bus. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Okay, on to the color-changing chameleon. Let's split up the paper plates and get ready to color the one without the shape cut out of it. Draw lines out from the center of the plate and fill them in like pieces of pie. Make sure to use all the colors you want. What colors will your chameleon become? Next, draw some branches to simulate the chameleon's habitat. Use the green tissue paper to decorate the branches with leaves. Stick the brass brad right through the middle of both plates. It's a little tough to get through, but believe me, it's worth it. And finally, glue the eye on the chameleon, and you're good to go. Rotate the back plate and enjoy all those colors you picked out. So cool. Time to get everything together for the taco party dragon. We need a cardboard tube, tissue paper, pom-poms, a couple eyes, and yellow paper. Start by taping the paper to the tube. Next, tape the tissue paper all around the inside of the tube. Glue on the pom-poms and add the eyes on top of them. Easy enough. What's this? You can blow through the back of the dragon to breathe fire? Awesome! And lastly, let's put together our top secret diary. This is a pretty easy one. We just need some lined paper, the cover, a little piece of paper, and some string. Line up the holes in the paper and the cover. Run your string through them and tie them in a knot. Glue the little piece of paper on the front and you're ready to go. Make it yours by writing your name and drawing a picture of yourself. I've got so much to write and draw in here. And that's it. Thanks again for joining us for another Grab and Go Crafts. Pick up a bag of supplies at your local Newport Beach Public Library location while supplies last. Enjoy your summer and happy crafting.